Hi everyone, myself Dhamnaranjan. First of all, our project is collecting waste from the different sources, and it is literally a serious issue in day-to-day lives of collecting waste materials. Our project is so simple, but it is so effective in future generation. Here is the first step of opening a chamber. In this, first we put the waste materials through the sliding conveyor. Through the sliding conveyor, it reaches to the rotatory blades. From the waste is collected in the rotating blades and transferred to the perforated plates. From the perforated plates, if any dust particles, if any other small things, it be collected in the downwards, and it reaches to the vibrating chamber. In this vibrating chamber, the waste flows in a continuous base, and first of all we are using the IR sensors to detecting the metals and to expose into the different containers. And the second thing is plastic is used in the Arduino sensor, is used to detect the plastics and to dispose into the plastic waste containers, and the remaining waste is transposed to the organic containers. These are the control unit we set up in the three bases. First one is a control unit, and the second one is power supply unit, and the fourth thing is controller power sources. And first is the power control unit used to transfer the different electrons at 80 mega 8. First is microcontroller chip, and the second one is motor divider to transfer into the metal sensor, and as usual the plastic sensor. As you guys first see the first operation of how to segregate the plastic waste. Once it reaches to the conveyor belt, the sensor detecting, and how you see the transposes to the plastic waste container. And second one, you can see how it segregated into the container using the Arduino sensor. And for recycling purposes, we have attached to the two conveyors. The two conveyors we can throw in the PET bottles, polyethylene tetrabethylene bottles. We can store for recycling purposes. Once the container is reached to the optimum level, and it using the proximity sensor, it send the information to the control room, and the control room send the staff to collect the waste from the containers. Other form of waste or paper, leaves, and rug particle cloths, or is not detected by the sensor, is automatically transferred to the organic waste material. Government adopting various kind of steps for the processing and segregation process of collecting waste. Though this is efficient process, around 10,000 we can do in apartments and households to collect the waste of organic. If it is metal, if it is glass, we can easily collect it from the household also. So it is more effective and useful in future.